Magandang umaga po. Ako po si Raymar Sildora, ang operator ng DTF dito sa DT Dumaguete. Machine dito ay ginagamit ng 6 na araw na may total na 117 meters. Ito po yung printer head area. Last palit po ng whitehead is noong 2023. Ito naman yung capping na may 70% good condition. Heat clean. Punasan na wiper pagkatapos mag-heat clean. At nozzle test. Ito naman yung ink tank system. Yung ink po natin is sakto lang yung cyan at saka yellow. Medyo mababa po yung black at saka magenta at white. Ito naman yung waste tank area, last disposal po kanina. Ito naman yung EVR, ground wire. Ito lang po yung stock ko na ink. DTF powder. At film. Ito naman consumable monitoring ng cyan. Magenta, yellow, at black. Ito naman yung sa DTF film, white ink, at DTF powder. Ito naman yung delay output record, at printer delay checklist. Thank you.